Are you troubled with rough, dry, and frizzy hair? Cell Happy Co. Argan Hair Essence can not only provide hair with shiny and bouncy effects, but also can improve and repair your damaged hair. Following extensive development, Cell Happy Co. Argan Hair Essence is formulated with 5% argan oil, which is the most suitable ratio for moisturizing and lubricating your hair. Cell Happy Co. Argan Hair Essence only uses eco-certified argan oil, avocado, olive, and camellia seed oil. Upon application, the active ingredients are quickly absorbed into the hair. Therefore, the hair is coated with essence, giving you a lovely sheen with a non-sticky finish. The key scent of lavender rose fragrance is well known to be especially favored by ladies. Cell Happy Co. Argan Hair Essence is packaged in a leak-proof quality Korean glass bottle with dispenser pump. It prevents leakage no matter how the bottle is stored. A comprehensive hair care solution. With Cell Happy Co. Argan Moisture and Hair Care, transforms dry, damaged hair into shiny, healthy tresses today.